Tips and tricks to build your wealth. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Set clear financial goals. Define your short-term and long-term financial objectives to guide your wealth-building journey. Setting clear financial goals is essential for building wealth. Here's how to do it. Define specific goals. Determine what you want to achieve financially, such as saving for retirement, buying a house, paying off debt, or starting a business. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. Quantify your goals. Attach a dollar amount or a specific target to your goals. For example, set a target of saving $100,000 for a down payment on a house within 5 years. Prioritize your goals. Determine which goals are most important to you and prioritize them accordingly. Focus on one goal at a time, especially if you have limited resources, and allocate your financial resources accordingly. Create a budget and stick to it. Monitor your income and expenses, and allocate your resources wisely. Track your spending and identify areas where you can cut back to save more money. Save and invest consistently. Establish a habit of saving a portion of your income regularly. Look for opportunities to invest your savings wisely, such as in stocks, bonds, real estate, or retirement accounts, to grow your wealth over time. Diversify your investments. Spread your investments across different asset classes and industries to reduce risk. This way, if one investment underperforms, others may offset the losses. Increase your financial knowledge. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance and investing. Stay updated on market trends, investment strategies, and financial news to make informed decisions. Minimize debt and manage credit responsibly. Avoid excessive debt and focus on paying off high-interest debts first. Maintain a good credit score by paying bills on time and using credit responsibly, as it can impact your ability to borrow money at favorable terms. Maximize your earning potential. Invest in your skills and education to enhance your career prospects and earning potential. Consider acquiring additional certifications or pursuing advanced degrees if it aligns with your goals. Leverage tax advantages. Take advantage of tax-efficient investment accounts and strategies, such as individual retirement accounts, IRAs, or 401k plans to reduce your tax liability and increase your savings. Be patient and think long-term. Building wealth takes time. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes and focus on long-term strategies that promote steady growth and sustainability. Seek professional advice. Consider consulting with a financial advisor who can provide personalized guidance based on your financial situation and goals. They can help you develop a comprehensive wealth-building plan. Remember, everyone's financial situation is unique, so tailor these tips to fit your circumstances and risk tolerance. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.